it, but now finally we're lucky that at least in Sindh we're seeing this initiative, a great initiative. Now I would like to call Bakar Ahmed, who's the Secretary Energy Department, to come on stage and have few words.
As an energy resources. The decomposition of organic waste in landfill soil also lead to release of methane, greenhouse gases over 20 times more effective in trapping heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide over a 100-year periods. Methane release from landfill site to the atmosphere is not usually controlled or captured, and as such has been one of the most negative side effects of the landfill site. Thermal waste to energy, also known as inclination with energy recovery, is a major waste treatment method in 7 developed countries and the most widely adopted technologies that dominates the global waste to energy market. Over 80% of thermal waste to energy plants are located in developed countries led by United States, Germany, Netherlands, Japan and France, etc. In such a situation, we are facing the big issues for big cities like Karachi and Hyderabad in how to treat the waste at a policy level. It has been the need of time to increase and introduce the waste to energy policy. So the Energy Department in collaboration with Sindh Solid Waste Management Board and local government department prepared the Sindh Waste to Energy Policy 2021. Therefore, in conjunction of this waste to energy policy, multiple applications were received, which among which 4 companies have been successful in acquiring the letter of intents. The government of Sindh congratulates all the companies for achieving the first milestone. With our warm wishes to all the companies to pursue and achieve the rest of the milestone stated in the policy so that they implement the ever long waited waste to energy plant in Sindh. The government of Sindh will ensure its full cooperation and facilitation to all the companies in acquiring land and other milestones.
Administrator Karachi and advisor for law and affairs in province of Sindh. His Excellency Mr. Wouter Tromp, Ambassador of Netherlands in Pakistan. His Excellency Mr. Bakhit Al Ramiti, Consul General of UAE. His Excellency Mark Stroh, Consul General of USA. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank all the guests present here because it is really an historic moment today in the energy sector of Pakistan. Today I take pride in mentioning that this time Sindh again has taken the lead in this field and not only preparing the Sindh waste to energy policy, but also initiating waste to energy projects in Sindh. And these projects are the first ones in the country of Pakistan. So this is really in a moment where we can take pride of it. Sindh has always been in lead in the energy projects, may it be power projects from indigenous coal, maybe wind energy projects, maybe solar energy projects, and maybe waste to energy projects in Karachi. And this is just the start. This is the beginning which we have started today from Karachi. And 4 companies we have shortlisted, and they have met the criteria of whatever required for these projects. And we will be giving them LOIs today. And this is just a vision of leadership of Pakistan People's Party that they, back in 20 years back, I think, our Shaheed, great leader Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto, visited Thar, and she declared that Thar badlega Pakistan. Thar will change the Pakistan. She knew at the time when there were no roads In Thar, there was no communication in Thar, and people used to go in the Kekra or mode of transport, which was very difficult to travel in. But she, in those days, said that Thar will change Pakistan. Meaning by that the energy resources which Thar had will become so important for the economy of Pakistan, for the energy system of Pakistan, that it will change the dynamics in Pakistan and in the, especially the energy solutions of Pakistan. But God has blessed Sindh not with the coal, but also with the wind corridor. The only wind corridor in the country is in Sindh, where we have around about 15 to 20 power projects working, and more 10 to 15 projects are in under progress of the process of construction. And solar, we are opening up the solar field as well. In Sakhar, we are putting up, in solar parks we are building up, and the World Bank project has been initiated. In solar homes we are providing. So all this type of source of energy is in Sindh, and this new one we are finding and starting with is waste, from which we will not only clean our city of Karachi and make it green, but also we will produce electricity and other source of energies. And I think Karachi produces 15,000 tons per day, and other cities of province also around about 2 to 3,000 per day. Agriculture waste is also there, bagasse, cotton sticks, rice husk, and converting these waste to energy can generate significant amount of electricity. These municipal waste located in cities, transported and dumped in open landfills, was also extreme hazards such as odor, smoke, noise, bugs, and emission like methane and CO2 from landfills pose a great threat to the health of the people of province. And I think by starting these projects, which will definitely we will take up to the other parts of the province, we have taken this lead, and we will develop this, and we hope that the companies which we have selected will definitely play a part in this. And today it's an honor for us to present the letter of intent to the world best companies from USA, supported from the USA, Denmark, Netherlands, China, in the waste to energy technologies. I think signing up ceremony will be the first step toward the landmark opening of the waste to energy project plant. And I think this will also create investment opportunities, foreign investment will come, and I think the international goals for the clean and green energy will make it up. And one thing more, one thing more that I would like to say to you people, that our government is determined to facilitate the private investors, international investors, and Government of Sindh has been doing it. We have our investment department, especially designed by this, and this was the vision of our Chief Minister, who created this department. And Energy Department is also there to facilitate such projects in future as well. We provide land, very cheap land, we provide and we facilitate in getting them. And I hope that with these 4 projects from waste to energy, different companies and different organizations will come in up and start their different projects here. And we assure them that we will definitely facilitate them, and we will give whatever support and whatever requirements they have, we will fulfill. Directorate of Alternate Energy and the staff, and Sindh Solid Waste Management and in the local government department, and my colleague, my friend, brother Nasir Hussain Shah's effort in this to take these projects on the track and start it. Even today he called me in the afternoon and said, what is the program? I said, I am going there and our friends will be there. And I have requested especially Mr. Murtaza Wahab to join us, and so that he is also very much connected with all this project because of the garbage collected in Karachi. Ultimately, the responsibility of the KMC and being administrator, it is one of his job to clean the Karachi, and he also has started a lot of good projects to make Karachi clean and green. So I said he is the appropriate person to be here to give us the concluding remarks. And I thank you, all of you who have especially come from Islamabad and taken out time to attend this, and our excellencies are here. We are really thankful to them, and we had discussed this thing few months back, and today I am thankful to my Allah that the commitments we made, that we will do it. So we have done it. This is the policy of Government of Sindh, policy of Pakistan People's Party, vision of our leader Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, and the support of our Chief Minister Mr. Murad Ali Shah, who is very much interested in this. And even last night he spoke to me and said, what about the project? I said, sir, tomorrow is a D-Day for us on these projects, and I hope this little effort of ours will bring change in Karachi and will make it clean and green. Thank you very much.
Imtiaz Ahmed Sheikh Sahab, Minister, Energy, Government of Sindh, His Excellency the Ambassador of Netherlands, Consul General of the United States, UAE, members of the business community, government officers, friends from the media, Secretary Energy, Secretary Local Government, Assalamu Alaikum. I think it's a proud moment for the Government of Sindh and for the people of Sindh that we are leading the way with regards to power projects, with regards to how improvisation has taken place in our energy department, and the waste to energy policy is another testament of the fact how energy department has been very proactive in dealing with such matters. So I would like to pay my compliments to the energy department, Government of Sindh, the local government department, Government of Sindh, the Sindh Solid Waste Management Board, the entire team of government officers which had worked on the waste to energy policy, and the members of the business community, our friends from foreign countries who are now planning to invest in the province of Sindh, who are planning to invest in the city of Karachi to help the Government of Sindh in finding a sustainable solution to our waste issues. So I feel in the way and manner that the Government of Sindh has worked over the last few months, especially the last few years, how the Solid Waste Management Board has improved its performance. We initially started off with one district in the city of Karachi, and from one district now we've reached a situation where entire Karachi has now come under the control of Sindh Solid Waste Management Board. We are operational in 6 districts, and hopefully in the next 30 days we would have the 7th district also operational with regards to Sindh Solid Waste Management being completely operational in the city of Karachi. So that was the first part for the municipal authorities to make sure that the waste is collected in an effective manner and taken to the garbage transfer station or to the landfill sites. The second part was as to what do we do about the waste which has been collected, and I'm very happy that Sindh province has taken lead in becoming the first province to have formulated, to have approved the waste to energy policy, and the commitment of the Government of Sindh is evident from the fact that we're just not working with solid waste, we're just not working with the energy department, we've just not formulated our policy. We've in a very short span of time also reached a stage where 4 LOIs are being issued to various foreign and local investors. So my compliments to the entire team that has worked with regards to this initiative. I feel that the vision of the Pakistan People's Party leadership of having a clean and green Sindh would actually happen when such projects become a reality, when such projects actually become functional, because as we all know, waste is an asset anywhere in the world, but historically it was being wasted in Pakistan. So hopefully with the passage and formulation of this waste to energy policy, we would be able to realize the real potential of the waste which is being generated by the people of this province. We are about 50 million people, so there will be no shortage of waste in our province, in our city. And the way the Solid Waste Management Board is working, after Karachi, we are now starting operations in Larkana, Sakhar and Hyderabad. So the quantum of waste is naturally going to increase with the passage of time, and the collection will also improve. So hopefully with these waste to energy projects turning into reality, we will be able to create a situation where not only we are able to dispose of the waste, we are also in a position to develop electricity which is in a very environment friendly manner. So with these words, hoping that these 4 LOIs will not be the end of such initiatives by the Energy Department, by the local government department. We will have more of such initiatives where the public sector, private sector will work together. We will create that synergy to create an environment which will be much better than what we have right now for our future generations, hoping for a